Hi there, this is Scott Toller with Apple Chevrolet here in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today we're looking at one of our pre-owned vehicles. This is a 2014 Chevy Cruze. This Cruze here has just under 81,000 miles on it, and the body, interior, and tires are all in great shape. As you can see, it also has tinted windows all around, so it can help keep you cool, protect the interior from the sun, and gives you a little bit more privacy in the vehicle. This vehicle has undergone our 172-point inspection by our GM certified mechanics, so we can ensure that the vehicle is in great shape and great running condition. The dashboard, steering wheel controls, and radio system are all very easy to operate and very simple to use. And the interior, as I mentioned, is also in great shape. If you have any questions about this Cruze or any other vehicle we've got on the lot here at Apple Chevy, new or used, please feel free to check out our website at applechevy.com, where we've got all of our inventory preloaded with all the information you can need. And if any other further questions arise, please don't hesitate to get in touch with our sales department at 708-429-3000. That's 708-429-3000. And thank you for choosing Apple Chevy.